to this young gentleman here. He's going to give us our invocation, our prayer for today, and give us good words. So we pass the microphone on over to Mr. Tyson Webster, if you would.
Na hau poso, na tana we marknuk, and no ta na ta case na manic na net na ma, na saw mommy na tochikin a hill siope. So not them calling no. Ni wawani took a semino, mamawa kako, and its case after one yosni akihi. Wawanin and its giu kinapomi and mashikta and atamoya, and it's our pat papa martasia, a yosni. Niko chamanin. Nitsawa machinini, kiwa kanapomia, nantamoya, mashikta mesia, whiskey, a maskoziwin, mashikta whiskey, pamata sewin. Kaspin weak weight sikasitua, way a situ ekon, mashikta passinamakon, otahiwa one, mashikta homaniton. Kaspin sanakaton, stanama, way a situ ekon, mashikta owataha, maoni sanakaton, and it's giu tanakua. Case been we are wakey to it, and then ke pako hatiwi komiko, not the mo akon, and it's ya mahno ke wa to it, so mahno papa mohne to it, yosni akihi, not the mo akon, and it's patch anani takua, o tahi o mani tahu on. Ni wawani tokosim, yoma mani kesikot, and it's case manikia. Cheat Napomia and a Wakit Ashikimaka, Yosni, Kata Catch Nanimia, Rishikta Nanikamia, Kinapo Makun, Maoni, Nature, Mamache Tawak, Ashes, Yake Waktu, and so Maoni Kako, so Mahno, Sekimaka. So I'm not Kispin K watch it Nasim, Washkan and East, Iowin, Netanoe Markanokin, hope.
Ahoo. Chi me grits there. Sir, thank you for those good words. I do believe we're about ready, almost. He's got his horn in his hand. I don't know why, but he has it. He's a singer even for many years. Where are we starting off at? Host drum and then where we left off? Or are we just going down the line? We're going down the line, so stand by, Meskwaki. Ahoo, ahoo. Oh. Time for ceremony. There he is, our arena director. After a while, you'll see him. You have them copper sweats coming on after a while. Our champion traditional dancer Gabe Cleveland. No, last night I said used to be. He's getting to that age right now to whereas he's arena directing now. No more dancing. Just like me and my brother up here, Anthony. We're both lead singers for a drum group. So we got a lot of knowledge that we won't share with you because we can't say it over the mic. But that's all right. That's all right. But today is Sunday Fun Day, so we're going to have a good time. To all of our spectators out there, on a count of three, I want you to say, I always say this, say, hoa in net. Ready? Hoa in net. On a count of three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got to say in net. You got to feel it. You got to in net. If you say that and if you're single, you're going to snag today. Okay, ready? Hoa in net. 1, 2, 3. There it is.
If you lost your number, it's up here. It's up here at the speaker stand, 1521. There's no name on the back. But if your number is lost and you think it is 1521, better make your way on up here before grand entry starts. That could be the first place number. If you miss grand entry, you could get Z'd.
You might get Z'd. That's another thing we got adapted on the Powwow Trail, Z'd out. You even do the Z. If you look up here, I'm doing the Z. If you ever just want to bum one of your friends out, say Z. Hey, do you want to go to the store? Z. Hey, do you want to go get a burger? Z. Z. Yeah.
Z cash, Z money.
Just like I looked at our arena director, are we ready to start grand entry? He said Z. The things you learn at a powwow. Does anyone know what boujou means? Our spectators, you know what boujou means? On a count of three, say boujou. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, boujou. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, I just got the finger. We're asking you if you can, please rise and remove your headgear in honor of our veterans who are bringing in our eagle staffs and our flags this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final grand entry of Saginaw Chippewa celebration. We go to our host drums, last year's singing champions, Under the Pines. If you would, grand entry time. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to recognize our Anishinaabe, Okechita Veterans and Warrior Society. We want to say thank you to Todd Nordman, bringing in our SAG Chippewa Eagle staff. We want to say thank you to Matt Martin, bringing in our MIBS Remembrance staff. We want to say thank you to Dave Perez, carrying in our Eagle staff of the healing. We want to say Chimigwitz to all of our veterans. Ladies and gentlemen, as our veterans are coming in, let's pay them off with a big, big round of applause, if you would. Veterans, we want to say Chimigwitz to our royalty, our princesses, our braves. And following our princess and braves, we have our head man, we have our head lady dancer. Coming on in, we have our Ben's Golden Age. We have our traditional Meskwaki Nation. You know what to do. You know what to do. Wee ha ha ha. That was an excellent song. ribbons, goldens. We have our traditional dancers. We have our woodmen. We have our applique. We say thank you for coming on over to Saginaw Chippewa celebration. Yeehaw. We would also like to acknowledge our head veteran for this weekend. Again, we say thank you to Mr. Ken Funmaker. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, our head veteran. Yeehaw. Now coming in, we have our men's traditional. We have our grass dancers. We have our men's fancy dancers. Dance your style, boys. Shake them feathers. Shake them bells. Now coming in, we have our women traditional dancers, our women categories. Now coming in, we have our medicine dress. We have our women's jingle dress. On them, we have our women's fancy shoulders. Dance your style. Look alive. Stand by, Scuffle Town of the Society. Stand by, Cinnamon Bear. Beautiful sight we have this afternoon. jingle, our fancy shawlers, followed by our team categories. Look alive, shake them feathers. Yeah. Cinnamon Bear. Now coming in, we have our junior categories. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our junior categories. Coming on in, follow them, we have our Tiny Tots. Gentlemen, we are all in. How about a big round of applause? Stand by, Woodland Stream, for our flag song. Oh, I saw you. You hold the drum. About that, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our singers and our dancers. You know, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we ask you to remain standing and remove your headgear as we honor and pay respects to our veterans here at this time. We're asking our host drum, if you would, give us our flag song. Stand by, Woodland Stream for our veterans. Oh, thank you. Thank you. They're singers for our flag song. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we ask you to remain standing as we go into our victory, our veteran song here. When we ask our singers of Woodland Stream if you would give us our victory veteran song at this. Oh, we're going to do the introductions. We'll acknowledge our veterans at this time. Carrying in our SAG Chippewa Eagle Staff, United States Army, we have Mr. Todd Nordman. How about a big round of applause? Carrying in our MMIBS Remembrance Staff, Marine Corps, Matt Martin. Big round of applause. Carrying in our Healing Eagle Staff, United States Army, we have Dave Perez. Big round of applause. Carrying in our SAG Chippewa flag, a SAG Chippewa Gichita, Mike McCary. Big round of applause. Carrying in our Pokagon band, we have United States Army, Mark Wilson. Carrying in our USA flag, we have United States Army, Sherman Anderson. Carrying in our Canadian flag, United States retired veteran, we have Minnie Martin. How about a big round of applause? Carrying in our POW, we have United States Navy, Rob Gross. How about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our veterans. Ladies and gentlemen, as they post their colors, we are not in the history books. We are not what we call in the high school curriculum. We're not in the junior high, the middle school, the high school history books. But these veterans have signed up to do something, a duty, to protect our lands, to protect our families. It goes all the way back to World War I when these veterans signed up. Our grandfathers, our grandmothers, our aunties, our uncles, they all signed up and made the ultimate sacrifice. And as of the World War I, ladies and gentlemen, like I say, we're not in the textbooks. You will never hear this. You don't know about the history of our Native veterans. When World War I was going on, ladies and gentlemen, our families, our brothers and sisters who signed up, they went to war and they were not recognized. They were not a citizen of the United States until 1924. They call it the Snyder Act. And these veterans, our grandmothers, our grandfathers, signed up to protect our land, and they were not citizens. So when we remember, and as you hear this song by our Woodland Stream singers, we ask you to remember, say a little prayer, and come out and dance if you have a loved one who has served in the armed forces. If you would, Woodland Stream, Victory Veteran Song. Ladies and gentlemen, we're asking all of our veterans, not just our Native American veterans. If you are a veteran who is here, we ask you to come on out and dance. This song is for you. We are honoring you as a veteran. Aho. Thank you, singers. Ladies and gentlemen, let's pay our veterans another big round of applause. We want to thank our veterans here for being with us here this weekend. They're always the first ones here, and they're the last ones to leave. With our veterans, we have a headband dancer, Mr. Johnson Taylor. A big round of applause. And we have our head lady dancer, Katie Eisenhawk. How about a big round of applause? And again, we have our royalty. We have our princesses and braves. They're with us here this weekend. Again, we do not have a list. It's our third grand entry, and we don't have a list. I'm looking at Gabe. Looking at Wayne. And then we're going to Mike. Now we're going to look at the draw, which is Eastern Blanket Dance. Oh, we're bringing it back at Mount Pleasant, 2026. Men's grass dancers, you are the luck of the draw. Judges are Nigel Schuyler, Texas Walker Stonefish. Reggie Pettibone, you are judges. Only Mike Roberts knew about Texas. You know, ladies and gentlemen, our arena director, our head man judge, Mr. Michael Roberts, if you watched, was it Texas Walker Ranger, something with Chuck Norris, in that series, our head dance judge was a part of that series, and he's right here in front of us, and he still does not know how to fight. He worked with Chuck Norris all those years, and he didn't pick up anything. That's all right, though. He's a fancy dancer. He knows how to kick high. So men's grass dancers, come on out. Men's grass dancers, I believe we're going to head to our host drum. And the way we... Oh, Meskwaki Nation has the first song. And then the host, you have the second. Change it up. Oh. You know the routine. You're champion singers. We know what we're doing. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you enjoying yourselves so far? Let me hear ya. Yeah. And if you're single, did you come here to find a fine braided man? I heard a guy. Why? Awesome. Because we are single. Hey. All right, men's grass, you got one last call. Nigel. Nigel, come on over. Nigel, you're one of our judges for our men's grass dance, luck of the draw. So we're going to have one song, and then we're going to pick, I do believe we have 3 judges. We're going to pick 3. And it's open to all ages. I forgot to say that. My bad. I never will apologize for being wrong because I have Mr. Gabe Cleveland as a backup. Aho. See, I didn't pick on you today. Not as yet. Last call. We don't like to hear that, but last call. All ages. Grass dancers, come on out, come on out. We're going to line you up. We're going to pick 3. So you got one song to show your stuff, grass dancers. And then be standing by singing judges. You know who you are? Go ahead, you chop the names up. All right, here we go. Are we good to go? There's the finger. Meskwaki Nation, you are on the air. job. Ladies and gentlemen, scream! Put your frying breads together. Yeah. Awesome. Totally awesome. Oh, man. All right. Make a line. Look at the singers. Look at you back. That's broken English if you didn't understand what I said. That's what we do as Native people. Ahoo. Singing judges, be standing by. They are
Walker Stonefish, Adam Nordwall, Albert King Sr., Mike King, and Reggie Pettibone. Be standing by. We're going right into our singing contest. Meet our drum boss down below here.
You forgot Texas, Walker. No. All right, here we go. The judges are looking over the dancers. They're extremely close to each other right now. It's like they're whispering. All right, here we go. There goes Wayne. He's going to try to run. He is a fancy dancer, and he jumps. Yeah, right there. Oh, that's our favorite. All right, Wayne, I think you forgot. Hey, number one finalist. All right, if that's your dancer, pay him off with a round of applause. There you go. We're going to have a Calcutta right after this. You know, back in Crow Fair, like 1999, we had a Calcutta, and the late Spike Draper was there. Everybody was betting on him. $2,000, $3,000 it went up to. Here we go, contestant number 2. There goes Wayne. He's running again. All right, contestant number 2 right there. So it's like $2,000 or $3,000. If you don't know what a Calcutta is, you bet on the highest dancer. If they win, you go half. So anyways, we're sitting there as a drum group. We pitched in all our money. We paid $3,300 for Spike Draper. And there was this tiny dancer, fancy dancer, who was about 6 years old. The mother paid $20 for him. And Mike Roberts was there. I mean, we picked Mike Roberts. As a bad rumor, we picked Mike Roberts. Yeah, you guys are probably there, but... All right, contestant number 3. And he goes, contestant number 3 right there. Let's give our dancers a big round of applause. The other dancers, ahoo, thank you for participating in our committee special. So anyways, Anthony, $3,300, you know, a lot of money. There's other fancy dancers. There must have been about 10,000 in a pot, Harvey. At least 10,000 or more. And this little bitty dancer, 6, 7 years old, the mom bought him for 20, ends up winning all of that. He beat the champion. Man, we were bummed out. Like Mike wasn't even there. Wayne wasn't even there. We're going to put our dancers on the other side because Mike Roberts lost at Calcutta for us. Thank you, Mike. I don't know if you guys were there. Were you? You probably were. So grass dancers, head on over. I mean, I did bet. I threw 15 on you guys. Grass dancers, get your drink and head on over to the other side. I'm going to ask you guys to head over there. And I believe we're going to our host drum. I believe it's a full song. Is that correct? Ahoo. 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 On a count of 3, I want you guys to go ahoo. 1, 2, 3. No, you got to have feelings with it. Come on. Ahoo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. All right. How are we looking? Good to go? Awesome. Totally. Never say that ever if you're native. Totally. All right, here we go. Under the pines, you are on the air. Witcha. Aho, put your fry breads together. Oh. All right. Now we want you to line up way over here. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. I think they're on that side. We have a message. Ladies and gentlemen, the security says, running low on toilet paper. Everyone is asked to only use 1 square per person. That's the message. I'm just a messenger. All right, here we go. I'm kidding, by the way. Do we have any Trump supporters in the house? Oh, I heard a clap. Where at? Oh, you can leave. I'm kidding. Enjoy yourself. I'm just kidding. All right, I can't see anything. How about you, Anthony? Can you see anything? I see a bunch of fancy dancers huddling up.
See some spinner feathers spinning.
See the spinners going back and forth. Head singing judges.
All right, singing judges, if you've been asked to help out the drum boss here, we're calling Walker Stonefish, Adam Nordwall, Albert King Sr., Mike King, and Reggie Pettibone. Make your way on out to the dome out there. Yeah.
All right, here we go. They're pointing fingers at me. Knock it off. I didn't do anything to you. 3rd place. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 3rd place. There's your 3rd place winner. Lee Jack. third place. Second place, here we go. Man, Wayne, you're looking pretty spiffy this afternoon. All right, there's your second place winner and your champion. Chad Brown is your champion. I need to get the second place winner there, Wayne. You might have to run. Also, we have this 50-50 that's going on. It's going to be a race. It's going to be acknowledged around 3 o'clock. The winner will be acknowledged at 3. And then we also have a summer raffle. Go on over here to my right. You see to my right here, right below us here, you'll see the ladies over there. They have the raffle tickets, 50-50. I believe the 50-50 is over $10,000 right now. I could be lying. We do have Trump as president. What? James Eaglestar is your second place winner. Let's give them a big round of applause as they walk in sync all the way here. Chad Starr. Anthony, my eyes are not with me today. I like the way you're itching your leg there, sir. Show everybody again. There he is. He's single, ladies. All right. Adam Nordwall, we need you.
Adam Nordwall, report to the center. See Mr. Drever there. I believe we're getting ready to go off here with the round of intertribals. Starting with Meskwaki Nation down the line. Come on out, enjoy this Sunday fun day afternoon. Never know what's going to take place. Just a reminder, if you made grand entry and you still get Z'd, you can pay the MCs a $5,000 protest fee, and we will do the best we can to advocate for you.
It's only 5.
It's only 5. I believe we're ready to go there, Mr. Drever. Here we go. All the way from Tama, Iowa, Meskwaki Nation, take it away. Don't let this good music go to waste. Ladies and gentlemen, come on out and enjoy this Sunday afternoon. Whoop, whoop. that was a jamming song there, Miss Squawky here. Made me want to put my bells back on there and get down there, you know. Waiting for our singing judges to move along there. Kind of find myself to that point where I'm kind of starting to be arena director, head dance judge, head singing judge. Now I got my show here, debuted to be an MC up here in Mount Pleasant. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm kind of getting that older status here. I'm not 50 yet, but I'm getting there. I believe whenever we get ready to high sign there, we're going to go on over to Scuffletown. We got the high sign. We're ready to go. Scuffletown Society. Wait, ya! Hey, ha. Yeah, boy, that was wicked there, huh? I do believe we're gonna after the next intertribal there, I believe they're gonna do something. Moving on down the line here. Next drum up, we get the high sign. I believe we're ready to go. Rocking and rolling here. Moving down the line to Cinnamon Bear. Yeah.
to my left. EMT, if you can hear me. Medical, we need you to my left over here. EMT.
Hey, that's a jammer there by Cinnamon Bear. Oh, man. Hey, y'all moving on down the line there. Yeah, Woodland Stream, get one of them jammers ready there. Oh, it's good to see everybody enjoying themselves here this Sunday afternoon, man. It is awesome. Whenever you're ready there, Woodland Stream, take it away. Hey, ha, ha. Right after this intertribal, hold your places. We're having a spot dance. Checking numbers. Hey, child.
If you have a tattoo, you might want to stay out in the arena. You know it.
There you go. Way to jam there. Way to jam. Yeah, good jammer there. Hold your places. Hold your places. I believe the head MC here's got something to go here. We're having a spot check. Hold up there, singers. Hold up. Hold up. What is that? Ponderosa? There we go.
We have Escawada's Foods. We have valid for one Indian taco and a drink. What we're going to give away here. And we also have from Ponderosa. We also have tickets for that buffet, 50 wings, and we have a shirt to give away. Here we go. There he goes. He's looking down the ground. Huh? Oh. If you have a tattoo, come see.
Visible, visible.
Hold on. What is it? It has to be woodland floral.
There's
I don't know
all
why
kind
you're
of
showing
woodland florals.
I don't know why you're showing me. I'm not the one giving it away. There he is, right there. It's got to be floral.
Pick the wickedest one. I'd pick the one with a thorn bush.
All right, there it is. All right, awesome. All right, brother, you're on.
That was awesome. Heck yeah. Yeah. We had to keep it PG-13 there. I believe we're ready. Moving on down the line to Ribbon Town. Whenever you're ready, boys. Hawkeye. thank you there, Ribbontown. Moving on next door to the platoon there. Whenever you're ready there, boys, our non-contest drum. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your beautiful sounds and your songs there. Whenever you're ready, the platoon. Please meet the tribal security up here at the speaker stand. Tia, Landon, LaBeek. Thank you there, platoon. You may clear the arena, ladies and gentlemen. You may clear the arena. Good jammer there. Boy, that tribal security comes up here, I start sweating. I'm not even from here. Jeez.
So you're saying you'd never been here?
Never been. 1900s, last time I was here. Back in the 1900s there, yeah. Well, that's wicked, yeah. My kid said, dang, Dad, you're old, man. You were born in the 1900s. Not Eve. Not Eve. We're going to Tiny Tots. Tiny Tots, come on out. Parents. Once again, Tia, Landon, LaBeek, there. Come on up here to the speaker stand here. Tiny Tots, make your way on out here. Sunday Fun Day, man, I think it's awesome. Boy, I wish they'd pay us adults every day, too. Yeah. Well, I think there was a powwow like that. They just powwowed and showed up and then paid you a day money there back in Oklahoma. Man, that was pretty awesome, man. I think they got some good change there. Nobody went over there, man. They missed out. That's pretty good powwow for those of you that are still trying to place. We're getting ready for a drum relay, too, later on, going to take place. Oh, man, good money there. Tiny Tots, if you're out in the arena, I believe we're going to go on over to the platoon. You guys got one for Tiny Tots? You want to sing again? One of them jammers there, man? Oh, everybody got up and left the drum, huh? That's when you dock them. Come day money, yeah. If you're a drum there singer, you know, the one that carries the drum and sets it up, they get an extra cut. Then if you're first lead, you get an extra cut. Second, third, fourth lead, you get that extra cut. Somebody brings the drumsticks, they get the extra cut. Then you have just the ones that are kind of make it sound good. They, you know, for some
maintenance.
reason,
If you're maintenance.
Oh, maintenance is what they call it. Huh? I didn't know that. Yeah, I just heard, "Hey, boy." That's all I ever heard growing up, and I still hear it today. Good. All right, Tiny Tots, we're in the arena. I believe we're going to go to Under the Pines there. It was one of them good old songs there. I was trying to save you, utilize you later on. You guys been doing a lot of singing, but I've been liking it, man. I'm telling you, Under the Pines, I've been liking it all weekend, boy. Good sounds, good tunes. Yeah, the Tiny Tots in the arena. We even got one over there crying, boy. He's like, man, but he's going to get that fine. Stand By, healing song. Boarding school healing song there. I believe they just came up and talked to us. They were trying to get us to push it back. They're waiting on the tobacco. Yeah, so, but be standing by there. Whenever you're ready there, Under the Pines. Give us one of them earth-shattering songs there for our Tiny Tots. Hey, there's my little favorite grass dancer over there, too. Hey. of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our future champions. Man. Oh, that's the way there, young ones. That's the way. Boy, just get out there and dance your heart out, boy. They don't have a care in the world. They just wanted to come and dance, and they get a little change. We're getting some popsicles. See, oh, man, they got the good popsicles, too. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's all right. That's all right, boy. Get some change and a popsicle. Yeah. Man, that's keen. Bob, been watching this little Grants dancer all weekend, man. God, he's a good one, man. Yeah, he's been making me like it. Every intertribal, even contest, he get out there and jam out. Man, that is the way. That's the way. Boy, you got some good parents there, boy. Make you dress you up, make you look nice, and take you to the powwow. Yeah. It's all right. That's how I try to do my little kids when I had kids, you know, dress them up nice, put them out there, let them jam out, take them to powwows. Yeah, one of these days he's going to be that champion coming up here. First place, a lot of money, a lot of trophies, a lot of medallions, a lot of jackets. Yeah, that's the way it is. Yeah, I think I'd like to see more jackets for the drums, you know. When you win first place, you don't see that hardly anymore, you know. One time, you don't see jackets anymore, you know. I think last time I won a jacket was a long time ago in Prairie Island. They were jean jackets, so that kind of tells you how long ago it was there. Man, you don't see jean jackets no more. Hey, y'all. I do believe we're going into the special here. Are we ready, or do we need some time there for the boarding school there? Nicole Biber, I believe she will be talking for the relatives there. You know what I like when I drove in over here? I seen all kind of signs, boy. Prevention, recovery, sobriety signs. That's pretty keen. You know, I was wild back in my day, man. Boy, that's how we came up with Wild Band of Comanches. Yeah. But you know, as we got older there, you know, I work in the field of prevention and recovery back home. I work for our residential treatment center there. And man, it's good to see all these signs when I pulled in. You know, I wish our tribe would have something like that. You know, there's a message, you know, and it's all right. It's all right, you know. I like it. You know, just the other morning, you know, I woke up to a phone call Saturday morning there. One of my little nephews was drinking. And early in the morning, about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, he got in a wreck there at home and wrapped around a tree there. It's my sister's oldest son there, you know. So when you think about a prayer later on, you must pray for my little sister. We're going to make our journey back home and take care of our little nephew there, little son there, you know. And even though we work in those fields and we try to stress that environment, that sobriety environment to our young people, our children, you know, we still have to let them go out and make their decisions on their own. So we always pray for them that way, you know. And boy, it's good to see here. I had a friend named Howie Thompson, gave me one of these orange shirts one time, came down to Oklahoma. Okay, we're waiting on Nicole Biber. She's supposed to be speaking for them. She's here, all right. Yeah, they're going to have a healing song. Yeah, then you're supposed to talk. No, they're going to have a mic down there. There's a microphone down there. Yeah. So we can get your kind attention. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to turn it on over here to Nicole Biber here and then the boarding school here. So we can get your undivided attention here. Thank you very much.
Anin, bonjour. Nicole Kiwe Biber, Nadijnikas, Nakwejong and Dojaba, Waganakasin Odawa, Anishinaabe Kwe, Mishiki Dodom and Dao, Obananang and Dao. So my name is Nicole. Happy to be here with all our relatives here in Mount Pleasant. I'm Little Traverse Bay Band Odawa and a jingle dress dancer. And I was invited to, first of all, let this be known that this is a healing song being offered, so we do ask all of our jingle dress dancers to join us. And the healing song is for our boarding school survivors, any of those boarding schools, as well as descendants. I am a descendant. My mother and father, when they were around 9 years old, they met at the Holy Childhood of Jesus. Indian boarding school up in Harbor Springs. And like many of the little children, you know, they found friendship with one another, but went on for a life of struggle, really connected to that kind of an institutional approach. So the jingle dress, and again, we ask all of our jingle dress dancers to come offer the purpose of that dress to any survivors here, the descendants here, because that's what our dresses are for. Everyone is so beautiful, all ages, and it's wonderful to see how many jingle dresses there are. And this dress came about and is a healing dress that's connected to all of the ways there's been an effort to turn us away from the path that we as Anishinaabe and other indigenous nations are intended to show all who are here on this earth with us now. The path that knows all of the care we put into our dresses and all of the regalia. That connection to beauty and intention is powerful. This dress was a vision given to a girl who was suffering, and she brought herself healing through that. And from there could offer healing to all who required that. And that's an important thing for us to take in and realize, that finding our own health and our own willingness to let love in and to trust that that is the most powerful healing force, that enables that to spread into the world. Now the sound, you know, and think about, I mean, we know the breeze feels good when she comes today, right? But think about also the sound of those leaves. That's a peaceful sound. The sound of these jingles, that peaceful healing sound, maybe makes you think of rain. And we know water is that first medicine. That's a reminder this dress offers us as well. The purity of ice when she makes that special sound, that's in those jingles as well. And all who appreciate that beauty, all the survivors and descendants, we're asking to come as we gather our jingle dress, our sasawinkwe wak, to help offer the healing of this dress. Everyone gathered here will be of benefit because we're all putting our love and our offering to move forward, not ignoring the pain, but knowing like we have it within our own capacity as a people to choose the way where we are certain in the knowledge, certain in the understanding that our teachings and our togetherness are going to be enough to heal this world, are necessary to healing this world. There's efforts ongoing to separate us out from what we require. At a very basic level, the purity of the water, the presence of our more than human relatives, this constant effort to alienate us from the real power of humility that we are taught to carry. Those efforts are ongoing, but here we still are. Determined, and I'd say having faith in the truth that every bit of affection we feel for one another, every bit of affection we feel for the more than human relatives, every time we feel grateful for the breeze and for the clouds and for the rain. McGizzy sees that. Creator sees that. When we have these sounds, when we have the sense of the scent of the smudge, every cell in our being can take comfort and know we still have our connections. We still have our determination to maintain those connections. I think we're doing very well with one another in all of our communities, with the good feelings, people who dedicate their lives to helping, like we have these medical providers here, people who dedicate their lives to the music, to art, all of these ways that are our education. And so these survivors and descendants that we offer to come, and any jingle dress dancers, please come offer that sound of healing. I'll give a moment for jingle dress dancers to please make your way. This Kwe who's getting help now, we can give a thought to her. Give a prayer to her.
Call them out when you're ready.
All right. So if our jingle dress dancers could come into the arena. How about you come? Survivors, please come in front of the Eagle staff. A beautiful staff.
Just announce there's any survivors or if you're
Yep. Any survivors of boarding schools who feel you need healing, please come gather with us. Descendants, feel free to join me as well. Miigwech to the Powwow staff for taking this time with your busy weekend to offer this special. I'll take that. Oh, sorry. I should. I'll take the tie, honey. We've been offered sema, as well as odeomen, a strawberry, right, that heartberry.
bring his, he made a boarding school staff. He said he's going to try and be here by 1:30. I don't know what time it is, but maybe you can page him. You can, her voice. Paul Rayfield. Paul Rayfield.
If Paul Rayfield is here, we'd love to have you join us. Paul Rayfield, if you are present, we would love to have you join us. Any families of survivors, please feel welcome. This is ongoing, our healing from this purposeful severance. Wyman, Chippewa. Wyman, Chippewa, are you here? We'd love for you to join us. My Sasaquewak sisters, my Jingle sisters of all ages. How wonderful. Kichimikwech, for dedicating your energy and your love and your intentions and your determination, taking the care, putting your joy of the beauty of the world into your dress.
Can you get her a chair? Do you need a chair? Just one chair? I can sit in here. Oh, she's got one. Wherever you want.
When we gather, when we have our drums, when we have our dances, when we have our songs, when we do this healing dance, we are choosing that path of restoration and recovery. This is our responsibility at this time. Those of us who walk the earth at this time are the ones entrusted with the necessity of choosing healing and enacting that healing and showing it can be done. And that begins with our trust in our own capacity to have wholeness, to go forward with love, to know that the true power is in humility as we're all dependent upon this living earth. If you are still making your way, please feel free to join when you get here. I think we'll ask for the song now. Does everyone feel good?
We're calling all jingle dress dancers. All jingle dress dancers, come on out. And singers, if you will, sing them in. Aho. Ladies and gentlemen, as this song is being sung, we ask you to please rise, remove your headgear, and the respects that we have for all these people, all of our grandparents, all of our uncles and aunties who have went to the boarding schools, and they survived, and this is why we're here today. We are still surviving. So ladies and gentlemen, in honor of our surviving school board, the boarding school survivors, we say thank you for being here, for sharing your knowledge, for being with us and helping us out today. Aho! there, singers, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may be seated. But again, ladies and gentlemen, as this survivors are out there, again, we're not in that history book. You'll never read, you'll never see the things that we endured as Native people. I myself, my mother and father, they went through the boarding schools. My dad went through the boarding schools and he survived and came back. But he never talked about what he went through and endured as he was one of the students of the schooling boarding schools. So we always want to remember, we always want to take in thought that our survivors, like you see here, imagine yourself as a 6-year-old, 7-year-old getting taken from your family. And what would you do? You have to think about some of the stuff like that as our young Native kids, they were stolen from their families and they went to these schools to try to get educated, to follow that way of the government. So when you hear, and we always hear this as Native people, they always say, oh, why can't you just forget about it? It's over with, it happened. But we can't. Like I said, if you're a father or a mother right now, and you imagine your child, 6, 7, 8 years old, getting taken from you by force, would you forget that? That's what we always wonder when people say that to us Native people, as we're still fighting today. They celebrated 250 years of this great America, they call it. But before that, us Natives, we're still fighting. We're still fighting for our rights. We're still fighting for our land. We're still fighting to this day. And we want to thank these people that you see in front of us and their stories. If they tell their story, we'll take that knowledge and we'll pass it down to our youth, and our youth will take us to the next generation. The next generation will take us. So again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause here to our survivors here at this time.
No, thank you there, brother. Drums be getting on your mind here. Drum contest is done. Walker Stonefish, come on up. Next special here. Jackson family special. Drum contest is over. Feel free to drum hop if you like. Help one another out there. You know how it is. We like to sing with each other and help out. So. Oh, we're still tabulating, but we got a tie. We have a tie in junior adult men's traditional. This is where those grand entry points come in, huh? Yeah. Dancer number 1166. Dancer number 1169. We don't know who they are. We have no names. Just get it on your mind there. We're going to battle it out here in a little while. In the meantime, we're going on over to the Jackson family special. Mr. Stonefish there, make your way on up here. See Mr. Wayne Silas here. Drum contest is over with, but we do have a drum group relay, 5-man teams, $5,000. Is that a winner take all, or is that? We're going to split that up. Yeah. We don't know yet, so just know it's going to be pretty keen. It's going to be pretty keen there. You guys all help each other out, sing some intertribals maybe later on, or if somebody's singing for a special, help each other out there. Yeah, boy, I went to school. I went to Riverside Indian School. You know, that's one of the oldest boarding schools in Oklahoma there. 8th grade was my senior year. That's what I continue my senior year there, 8th grade there, and graduated and went powwow. Oh, that was keen. And my brother Gabe up here, boy, he's Superman. I didn't even know he was brought his outfit or dressed, man. I ain't seen him dressed in a long time, and it smells clean. You know, a lot of you dancers during grand entry time, man, it's always good to wash your outfit. It's okay. It's no bad juju to wash your outfit there. Yeah. Or yourself, they said. Oh, your socks. My bad. Yeah, that just came out. My bad. Yeah. Yeah, but you know how it is, you know. Yeah, no superstitious socks, man. I seen it one time, beautiful young lady. Man, you wouldn't think that would happen, parked next to her, and she's a good friend of mine there, and she started putting on her socks, and I was like, oh, I got some if you want to borrow. No, can't do that. She goes, I've been winning ever since I wore these, so, hey. Boy, for old people around, you know, our old people back then, you know, when we're MCs at home, we have things that we say and do local, but some of these MCs, they go out and they travel and they go to big powwows and they take some of the words and use them and all that. And so back at home, you know, we have a word. It goes, ugh. That's what our old people would do. So on the count of 3, if everybody would go, say 1, 2, 3. There it is. Yeah, well, that's the word old folks use. That was a noun, verb, proverb, everything. Yeah.
You are now Comanche.
Yeah. So when you see another Comanche, walk up to him, shake their hand, and go, ugh. Oh, we're ready here. Going to turn it on over to the family here whenever you're ready there.
Oh, miigwech. Good afternoon, everyone. How you guys doing? Oh, anybody awake? How you doing? Before we get started, this special is for the Jackson family. If we could have all Woodland 18 and up, stand by, please, males and females. 18 and up, Woodland. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Walker Stonefish. They said boat. They said boat. My name is Walker Stonefish. I come to you from Walpo Island First Nations. I'm Delaware Potawatomi. And as a young man, I went away and served in 3rd Battalion 8th Marines as a machine gunner, and I deployed 3 times to the Middle East, and that's how I have the rights to speak in this circle. I'm not trying to show off or anything like that. I carry this responsibility very close to my heart. I grew up in this circle, and when I was approached by the Jackson family to speak for this special, I was very honored. If I could have you young singers and dancers' attention, please. Delmer Jackson Sr., he served 37 years in tribal council here in this community. And in this way of life, he was one of 8 siblings, and he had 7 children. And we have the drum set up over here, Black Elk Singers. And there's 3 generations of his family sitting at that drum. So let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This man, he had a lot of love for his community and all of Indian country. Like I said, he had 37 years on tribal council, longest serving tribal counselor to date. And in this way of life here, he served food. Jackson's food stand been going for about 47 years, a couple years older than I am. So it's truly an honor. And like I said, there's 3 generations sitting at this drum here today. And it's truly an honor. He has grandkids, great-grandkids all over Indian country from this circle here. He, thanks to some guy at that drum over there, Juan. Last I checked, he had kids in Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, and I got to get an update. I don't know from there. Johnny Appleseed, his grandpa used to call him. But we're here for a good time this afternoon. That's what we do in this way of life here. We sing and dance, tease, have fun. If I'm not teasing you, I don't like you. So, but if we could have all the Woodlands stand by, we have a special, and it's the third year of the memorial. The first year memorial, they had a, help me out, generational special. The second year, couples, and this year is Woodland. And next year, the fourth year, will be the final year. So if we could have you dancers, we're going to have an honor song afterwards, but if we could have you Woodland dancers step into the arena, please. I apologize, that was such short notice, but I tried to put it on Facebook and TikTok and all that, but my password didn't work. Is that what you need, a password? Okay. But I'm honored to be standing here with his children here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's one sitting at the drum there. So it's truly an honor what this man, the love he had for his community, and it shows with his family trying to honor this way of life, this circle. So enough of that. I hope I gave everyone enough time. What we're going to do, we have 5 places. First place is 500 and a bandolier bag. Second place, 400 and aprons. Third place, 300 and a shaker. Fourth place, 200 and a dance stick. Fifth place, $100 and a medicine bag. 5 consolation, and all dancers will receive a gift from the Jackson family. So let's give this family a round of applause for putting this together for their father, grandfather, great-grandfather, just giving back in this way. It's such an honor to be a part of this special this afternoon. Enough being said, we have our judges, correct? Our judges are ready? Okay. And I just want to recognize his wife back here in this four-wheeler or whatever those things, golf cart. This is his wife here. 49 years he was married to this young lady. That's truly an honor. So without further ado, our judges are in place. We're going to have 2 songs. And then the dancers will stay in place, and our judges will come together and come get our top 10. So have fun, dance hard, and here we go. We're going to turn it over to the Jelmar Jackson seniors, kids, grandkids, great-grandkids. Blackout, take it away. Huck, hey, dance hard. All right, thank you, Black Elk. And pit crews, let's give these young men and young women little bit of beach here. It's pretty warm out there, and the family appreciates all you dancers coming out here and sharing your dance style in honor of their dad, grandpa, great-grandpa. Truly an honor. And off here to my left, there are all the siblings, all the Jackson's family here. It's really good to see all these young people out here this afternoon. So we're going to let these dancers get some water. And once again, thank you all for sharing your dance style on behalf of the family here this afternoon. And what truly a blessing it is to have 3 generations from this family singing at this drum. So powerful. Really good to see you young men singing and then keeping your grandpa's legacy alive. Ho! Okay, pit crews, we're going to move on to the second song here. Judges stand by. Dancers, when it you wanna line them up or keep them over there? Line them up. Okay, after the second song, please, ladies and gentlemen, you dancers, if you can come up, line up and face the arbor, please. So pit crews, if you can step out, please. Here we go. Song number 2, Blackout. Take it away. Hook ahead. Blackout dancers, thank you very much. If everyone could please come over this way and face the arbor, please. Once again, on behalf of the family, I'd like to thank you dancers for coming here and sharing your style with us this afternoon. We know it's hot and humid and truly a blessing to be a part of this special. And thank you once again for sharing your dance style. So our judges are going to get together. Pick the top dance. Okay, if we could have all the Jackson family come up here, please, and line up. All these kids, grandkids, great-grandkids, if you would come over and line up and shake these dancers' hand. We appreciate all you young folks coming here and being a part of your family special. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pick the 5 consolation winners, and then we'll pick the 5 winners. And after the song, but we have gifts for all the family. For all the participants. And after we have the winners, we'd like you all to stay and be a part of an honor song. They want to have an honor song after. There's one of our consolation winners. Let's give this young man a round of applause. It's our second consolation winner. Way to go, young lady. Oh. And where's our third consolation? And this is our third consolation winner. Let's give her a round of applause. I think that's the queen of Pashabi Town, I think. I think she was princess way back in the 1900s, probably 1960 or something like that. And here comes our fourth consolation winner. Yeah, down there. Oh, there's our fourth consolation. Let's give this young man a round of applause. Big young warrior himself. Good old Jim Bob. Look at them guns on that guy. Oh, wow. And this is our fifth consolation winner. All right, here we go, Sonia, our big winner. Okay, now we're going to pick our fifth place winner. We'll receive $100 and a medicine bag. Over here, Jimbo. Good job, bro. Look good. Okay. Fifth place winner. Winner $100 and a medicine bag. Oh, here we go. Fifth place winner. We're going to get his name, where he's from. And then we're going to the fourth place winner. Fifth place. Just give me your name and where you're from.
Daisy Pitawanakwit. I come from GTB in Wikwamakong on ceded territory.
Oh, good dancing, young man. And this is our fourth place winner. Winner $200 and a dance stick. Give this young lady a round of applause. Thank you again for coming and sharing your dance style here with the Jackson family. Get your name and where you're from.
Kimura Okamash from Kashina, Wisconsin.
Oh, good dancing, young lady. And here we go. This is our third place winner. Winner of $300 and a shaker. Huh?
We got it mixed up. We're doing the dancing instead.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Third place is $300 and a dance stick. Oh, here we go, this young man here. Good to see this young man in a circle again, all the way from Amjanang. Oh. I mean, get your name and where you're from.
Shigijik Brzett from Amjang First Nation.
Oh, good jamming, Deej. And this is our second place winner of $400 and aprons. Let's give this young lady a round of applause. Good dancing. Second place winner, $400 and aprons. I didn't know they opened it up to tiny tots.
Bujo biwabin kwen dijna cause nimki panashi do them neon shing naming donjaba Anne Marie Prue White Chippewas and Nawash unceded First Nations. Miigwech.
Oh, good dancing. 400 American. Shit, that might be worth about 800 Canadian. I don't know. Trump might tax you on it, tariff on that. Okay, now we have our champion, winner of $500 and a bandolier bag. Drum roll, please. And this is picking the champion is Delmore Jackson Jr. And he's carrying his equalizer with him. Oh, and that's our champion. And if everyone, all you dancers could come over here, we have a gift on behalf of the family. Once again, thank you for bringing your dance style here. And once all these dancers receive a gift, we're going to have an honor song with all the family and the community. And then after we're done with that, we have some gifts here on behalf of the family. No, not yet. We got bags for the kids because that's our lifeline there, these children. And the family just wanted to give to all the kids because they're the ones that keep us going. And here's our champion.
Awaquaki Hill, made of Kansas.
Oh, good job. After we're done with the handshakes, we're going to go to Black Elk for an honor song. And then we'll give out this candy for all these young ones here. I know they're pretty excited. Get them all sugared up for the ride home. Once again, I'd like to, on behalf of the Jackson family, I'd like to say miigwech to the Powwow Committee for giving this time to honor their dad, grandpa, and great-grandpa. It's truly a blessing, and they're very thankful to the Powwow Committee for giving them this time. We know they have a big agenda, but thank you for that, for honoring, let them honor their dad. Okay, if we could have the family line up, our head dancers, and all the participants are going to dance with us. Kenny, if we can give us a hand over here. Mr. Funmaker. Somebody pull him up. Head dancers, if you come out here, please. We can get all these Jackson family line up in the arena. AD, where you at? Sorry, Wayne. Sorry to wake you up, bro. Yeah, we're going to line up and all you dancers, if you come out and join us here, we're going to have an honor song for this family. And all you community members, if you come out too and honor the family. 37 years he served on the council here. I'm sure he's seen a lot of bumps and things happen through those 37 years, but what a beautiful community you have. all the expansions and stuff like that. It's truly an honor to always come down here to Mount Pleasant, and the hospitality is great. All the facilities are good. I'd like to thank our head dancers for coming out here, and our head veteran also to honor this family and help us in this way here. So for no further ado, we go to Blackout. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we could please rise. We're going to honor this family this afternoon, and this fine gentleman, Delmer Jackson Sr., Bob. 37 years, tribal council, dad, grandpa, great-grandpa, husband, brother, just all-out community man, family man, raised his family, his kids, and brought them into this way of life, and we're still here with 3 generations singing here this afternoon. So I'm going to turn it over to the drum. Hoka hey! Dance hard, folks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for rising. Good to see these young singers standing also. It's really good to see that. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for giving the family this time. This is the 3rd year of the Delmer Jackson Sr. Memorial. Next year will be the 4th and final year, and they're going to honor the drums. But this here, the 3rd year, walking on our father's footsteps. What a way to honor a great man. Really good to see this. Delmer Jackson Jr. leading them out. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for rising. You may now be seated. And what we're going to do now, we have candy bag. If we can get all these kids, all you young kids, come on up on behalf of the family. We have some candy bags up here. And once again, I'd like to thank all you dancers that participated in this special. All these grandkids, great-grandkids who came to be a part of this. And it was good to see Selena Jackson out there in her pretty red tennis shoes. I seen her last night. She had them red bottoms on, no?
That's Prada.
Okay, after we're done here with these children's getting this candy, I'd like to turn it back over to the professionals. And once again, thank you to the Powwow Committee for letting the family host this special, and turn it back to the professionals. Hoka hey. Hey, go ahead.
Ahoo! Thank you there, Jackson family, for giving back there to the circle in honor of your loved one. We had the raffles already, I believe, right?
Yep, think so. Yeah, they came and got the tickets there. Hey, GG's Grub Fry Bread is the winner of the 2026 Fry Bread Contest. Give them a round of applause there. Boy, we finally got a piece of fry bread up here, man. I don't know if it was from the winners or not, but man, it's good.
They can buy mine for $5. $5. You want mine?
15. Everything's 15.
You're good right there, Walker. Up. Yep.
Hey, Choctaw Powwow. Hey, put this on your calendars. Mark it down. One of the best powwows in Oklahoma there. November 6th, 7th, and 8th. Woodland special. 18 plus, 70 plus, northern and southern split. 55 plus, all categories split. Northern, southern. 55 over, all around. Hey, drum contest. That's what I was talking about. And jackets to the winners. $20,000 for first place. Man. And keep your ears open. It might go up. There's also maybe an overall going on there, too. Yeah. Well, I sure like to go to Durant. Yeah, we'll always do good in the casino. Man, that's the place to go there. Yeah. Snake dance, Brother Gabe, be getting ready. Snake dance, I believe we're getting ready to come on over there. Then after that, I believe we're going to have the birthday song. I think we're going to go into a birthday song here, too, as well. So, getting it ready for the drum group relay there, brother. Drum group relay.
$5,000 in prize money. I believe it's a 5-man there, singers. So get your best 5-man. $5,000 in prize money. All right, I believe we're going to go to our snake dance.
Waiting on there, Brother Gabe there. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's always good to have another tribe, other relatives come along and demonstrate something from their tribe. As my brother Gabe down there is getting ready, he wanted me to read and talk about this snake dance here, and so if you give me your kind attention here, we're going to go to a brief history here about the snake dance here while my good brother there is getting ready here. When the Great Spirit, Earth, Maker, Creator, created the sacred serpent there, the slithering serpent, he told the sacred serpent, he said, to go and create pathways for the great waters that would quench the thirst of Mother Earth and all of creation. So as you see this dance and you see the movement there and you see this dance, it replicates the life of the snake. As the dance begins, you will see more and more dancers join in. This is the growth of the snake as it travels around the arena. Soon it will be winter, so the snake gathers itself to coil and hibernate for the winter. Much like us as human, we hunker down in the winter into our lodges as the dancers as the dances seem to kind of start dwindling away there. And so as the dancers clap, they are rejoicing in being in one of another's company, enjoying the winter together. And then spring comes, warm weather, and the snake begins to uncoil. The new beginning of the spring, the snake also starts a new beginning, shredding its old skin, leaving the past behind and starting fresh again, a renewed spirit. Then we come to the river of life that we all must cross, as the dancers will dance hard up to the river, and then you will see them jump across the river. Symbolism of when we cross over into the next life, to the spirit realm, where all the relatives are waiting and clapping, cheering us on as we dance hard. And they are eagerly waiting on us to join them over across that way there. When all of us all have crossed over, they all join in being one again. So they raise their hands and approach the den retreat, and then make a charge towards the center like that representation of people running towards the promise of eternity. Oh, good creation story there of our snake dance. I believe they might have instructed a drum there to sing for them here. You know, that's a good creation story there. I always like to hear creation stories there. My people, we also have a snake dance, a buffalo dance. We have our creation stories there, you know. I sure enjoy hearing and learning about other people's culture. And, you know, I enjoyed being up here, watching all the floral work. Even the casino, man, they had some nice carpets in there. I was trying to figure out a way to sneak down and cut one out, roll it up, and take it to the van real quick, you know. Man, it was sure sharp in there, man. It was nice. You know, I was reading that. There's some words in there I don't normally use when I talk. If I can't spell it, I won't say it. That's just how it goes there, you know. But whenever Gabe's ready, I have to believe he's probably out back stretching, jump roping real quick there, you know, getting a few push-ups in. Oh, getting those copper tones on.
Maybe we call him Nabe. Nabe.
Oh, that's an ancient name. There's a creation story to that too as well. Huh. We all have those kind of names. Yeah, some of y'all out there don't want us to say nothing. Guilty ones got their heads down, hiding behind the other bro. Don't say nothing. Yeah, he's coming. Had to get those fluffed again. Oh, all you dancers, be making your way on out. Be making your way on out to help Brother Gabe here. You're still tabulating. They might take your numbers, they may not. This could be the tiebreaker too also. You know, back down in Winnebago there, when they do these kind of dances here, you get out, you participate. When you're done, you exit the arena and they take your number. Oh, there's a lot of dancers get Z'd because they don't want to get out there. But me, I participate in that, all of that. Yeah. So junior adult men's tradition, we already got a tie, 1166, 1169. We're going to do that after the birthday song there. We're going to get it in there somewhere, so be ready.
Is that Gabe's number? He just got dressed.
Oh. Hey, he's got the club, man. Oh, I ain't seen that in years, man. Holy. Well, it's good to see my brother here, man. I ain't seen him in a long time, man. He vanished on me. Yeah. You good, brother? You got a drum there, instructed there. I believe we're ready to go. So calling all dancers here. Kimaka. Yeah, if you don't know what I said, I don't either. I just learned it off of YouTube earlier. What? That's when you go, ugh. We're ready to go there. I believe we're going to Meskwaki Nation. singers, come on out and join in. This is a beautiful dance amongst our people there. A lot of purpose, a lot of meaning there. Come on out, help Brother Gabe out. Come enjoy, have fun here. Sunday fun day. Wee-yah! Last call for raffles there. Closing at 3. Keep and beat, Gabe. Keep and beat. Copper toes. Keep it together now. Keep it together now. No gaps. This is supposed to be one life here. One life.
Good job, Mike. All right, singers, here we go. Dancers, you know what to do. You're being instructed right now. We're going to go to the next part of the snake dance. As the dancers will dance hard up to the river. This is what we're doing now, ladies and gentlemen. And then you'll see them jump across the river. It symbolizes of when we cross over into the next life of the spirit realm, where all of our relatives are waiting. Dance hard, dancers, dance hard. Dancers, make sure we jump across. Make sure we jump across. Clap, ladies and gentlemen. Let's clap to the beat.
Just like they're doing up here at the MC stand here. Clap in time with the beat there. Yeah, come on.
players. They're asking to join in singers.
Make sure to jump over to the crossing there. Jump over the rope there. There you go. Holy crock. Somebody's crock went flying there. Oh.
Do it, Mike. Do it. Show the younger singers, Mike. Show the younger singers. All right, singers. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got our singers out here. Oh, you gotta feel it, singers. You gotta feel it.
Oh, look alive, look alive. Hey, Singers are the only ones I know that dance off beat.
Singers, dance like you have a pair of moccasins.
All right, here we go. Last but not least. Oh, they're all getting down there. Oh, look out. Boy, I ain't seen that in years, huh?
When all have crossed over, they all join in being one again. So now we need to go to the final portion of the song. But now we all raise our hands and approach and then retreat and make a charge towards the center. You gotta wait. There, just like that. Raise your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, now what they're doing, they're approaching the center, and then they're going to retreat. And then they're going to make a charge towards the center that represents the people running towards the promise of eternity.
That, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Yeah, let's give our snake dancers here a round of applause. Yeah. A lot of them came out. A lot of them came to spectate. A lot of them came to participate there. A lot of them, it's their first time doing this dance here. Boy, I ain't seen that in a long time. This should be arena full. Calling up the, what is that, the Alania Day family here. Calling up there for a birthday song here under the pines there. Think we're going into that there, or no? Maybe they have somebody singing the birthday song. Wasn't really instructed, but whoever they pick. Junior men's traditional, be getting it on your mind. You're going right up after this birthday song. 1166, 1169. Junior adult men's traditional. Be ready, be ready. Right after this, we're going to call you out. We got our judges ready, and we're going to go right into it. Ready, we're ready for the birthday song here. 4 years old, huh? Oh, Brother Gabe here wants to say Pino here, Pina Gigi to everyone that came out and danced with him here. Be ready for the grandpa, grandson, grandma, granddaughter specials there coming up here.
Checkered shorts,
Well, we got a little missing child here. Well, he's not missing. The parents are missing. This kid knew where to come up here to the speaker stand, knew right where to go, where there was fruit, oranges. He's got some little checkered pants on there, no shirt, little braid in there like that. Oh, he's a cute little fella. Look at him, yeah. He's not lost. His parents are, though, huh? Yeah, there they are. All right, we got them there. Yeah. Well, it's like that too. That's how it is in the powwow world. Our little kids, they just know where to go. My little son used to run off and come back with food and toys. He used to tell everybody he was there with me and that we were broke and we didn't have no money and we were just trying to get home. He's a smart little fella there. Yeah, we had food all weekend. He made grandmas and grandpas. I became a son and a nephew all there. So grandpa, grandson, grandma, granddaughter, if you're a grandpa and your grandson ain't here, my son is in the back. We can make an adoption real quick. We got some tobacco, pipe, whatever you need there. Yeah, if you don't have a granddaughter. Family is inviting anyone who is having a birthday. Come on out for this birthday song. Also, July Hunter. It is your 16th birthday. Shout out to July Hunter. Come on out and dance here like that with them here. July Hunter, they want to give you a 16th birthday shout out there. Yeah, that's the way. Junior Adult Men's Tradition, just reminding you there. I know how it is when it's laid back, Sunday fun day, you're kicked back under a shade somewhere, not really paying attention. I believe the family is ready here. Who they got? They picked the drum for a birthday song yet? All right, we have instructed this drum. Take it away there. Let's give us that birthday song.
If this is your birthday month, come on out and join the family and the birthday song.
Where's July Hunter? Oh, she is. Happy birthday, July. Yeah.
The committee can come on up here, committee. Give us some info about the grandson, granddaughter, grandma, grandpa. Special committee. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Good looking, good looking. Ahoo. Again, happy birthday, July Hunter. Oh-ha. Thank you, singers. Oh-ha. All right, at this time, we're going to have the grandpa, grandson, grandmother, and granddaughter.
Yeah, boy, grandpa. Like I said, if you're a grandpa, you're looking for a grandson. My son's back there in the bow. Go get him real quick. We'll have pipe ceremony or something real fast. Same way, if you don't have your granddaughter here, I got two of my daughters back there. Yeah, they're on too. And then later on at the casino, we're going to be having a grandpa-grandma special. Hey, yeah. Yeah. If you're a grandpa looking for a grandma or vice versa, hey, huh? Yeah. How many of you kids out there, your mom brought your uncle with you here to the powwow this weekend? Oh, yeah. What's like that where I'm from, boy? Hey.
There's a few. There's a few. All right, junior adult men's tradition 1166, 1169. Come on out. Stand by our grandpa, grandson, grandmother, granddaughter special right after this tiebreaker. And then we're going to go right into our blanket giveaway here, honor song. And then we'll go into the drum relay. So with that drum relay, it's 5-man. $2,500 for first, $1,500 for second, and $1,000 for third. Man, whenever I go sing somewhere, they never do that.
Yeah, it never happens like that, but that's okay. We don't need that. Hey, if you visit a lemonade stand, Auntie Squeeze over there. Boy, that's a wicked name. Yeah, Auntie Squeeze across the way, fresh lemonade there, man, it is awesome. Been waiting for that all weekend. We went for these vendors to bring us up, give them a plug there, give them a shout out there, you know. It's the way it is when you MC, you got all kind of food and stuff, but appreciate the lemonade there, Auntie Squeeze. Yeah, getting ready for the grandpa, grandson special here. Ooh.
Mike, are they picking their drum? All right. Singers, stand by. They're going to pick their drum for this tiebreaker. Second guy, who's that? 1169 is out there. We need 1166.
Yes.
So whatever drum they pick, singers, they're a couple of woodland dancers. Is this men's woodland or men's traditional? Who they want? Under the Pines.
Whole song or two? Two times.
Dancers, you want 2 or you want 3? Do you want 2.5, 4? Full song? Under the Pines, full song. Here we go. Cupcakes for the kids up here. Senior, a scum, I'm beat him up. Al King Senior. Put your frying breads together, tiebreaker. All right, make a line as they give the bro hug. We do that nowadays, hey?
Hey, brother there, man. The winner of the 50-50 gets $1,555. Man, that'd be nice. You can donate the $555 left over to the MCs.
I don't see why not. MC fun.
Yeah.
We'll pay for the taxes.
Yeah, definitely. Got it. A 1092. Oh, they're having us draw. You want to pick that? Oh, he wants me to pick it. So if you don't win, it's my fault. Hey, here we go. The winner of the 50-50.
Oh, he's digging.
1,555 and
he's
25 cents.
Oh, here we go. Getting clarification.
The ticket number is 151313, and the name on the back is Anthony Manassi. Hey, A. LaRue. A. Yeah.
You got 5 seconds or we're redrawing. 5, 4,
2. Hey, one's gone. Remember, 151313. Come up here. If I had that ticket, I would have been standing up here already. 1,000.
It's pink, right? Pink ticket, kind of a pink oranges ticket.
Yeah.
Hurry, are you here?
Kind of like a Cheyenne pink. Yeah. A. LaRue. A. LaRue. Here we go. And then we have the summer raffle. There's 4 winners. So when we draw your number, the first number that comes up, they get their pick of the 4 items. Electric foldable bike, motorized water float, boardless skateboard. Holy, a boardless skateboard. I need to see that, man. A camp package.
So grandfather and grandson, start making your way on out. Start making your way on out. Grandfather and grandsons.
Hey, LaRue. Well, be like the casino. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes or we're drawing another name. 2 minutes. I heard that all night last night. Never got my name called. Cupcakes. Cupcakes are up here underneath the canopy there for anybody who wants a cupcake. If your sugar's low or you're sitting there shaking, your vision's blurred, you might want to come up here and grab one. Sure. Uh-oh. I'm drawing again, so it's my fault. You can blame me. As the 50-50 winner here. Hey, LaRue, the 50-50 winner. Oh, man. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, here she is. Yeah. Whoa, there's the 50-50 winner. Holy. Come on up. Come shake our hands here. Go ahead and donate to the MC Fund. We just barely got a lemonade. Well, our first ticket drawn here is a yellow ticket, 050157. And the name on the back is Scott Schuler. Was that Schuler or Skyler? I've been getting the name wrong. They made me call my bro Skyler. His last name Skyler, but they spelled it Schuler. Oh, I felt bad, man. My bad, Nigel. Man, did that earlier. Oh. Number 2, here we go. Number 2, yellow ticket. Yeah, his name on the back. Just call the name on the back here is Marcella H. But the ticket number is 045683. Marcella H., you are the second winner. Here's the third winner. Third winner. Scott Wilson. Scott Wilson, you are the third winner. That is your third winner. And then the fourth winner just gets whatever is left. Oh, here we go. Fourth winner is Madeline Clement. Madeline, probably Madeline Clement. Yeah, we'll just say it properly. In Oklahoma, it's Madeline. All right, I believe we're ready. Thank you for the support, they said. Thank to everybody who bought in. Miigwech, they said, to all the people who bought the raffles. Take it away there, brother.
Last call for grandfather and grandson. Last call. I believe we have 3 out there.
Oh, somebody should have taken pipe to my boy there. We got one out there.
Holstrom. Ahoo. Gonna have this song there under the pines. Last call, grandfather and grandsons. Son. Got our judges ready to roll? All right, under the pines, if you would. Stand by, grandmother, granddaughter. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. What an awesome sight we have here. All of our granddads and grandsons. Hey, put your frying breads together. All righty, make a line, make a line. They're going to pick the top 8. Hey. And have one song, and they're going to pick our winners. Ahoo. That was awesome to see. You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? All the grandfathers bringing out their grandsons. That's awesome. I like it, I like it. So we got how many places, Wayne? 3 places. All right. 3rd place first or 1st place first? What do you want to do, judges? We'd like to have the grandmothers and granddaughters start making their way on out. Stand by again, host drums. Grandmothers, granddaughters. All right, 3rd place. Here we go. There's your 3rd place winner. All right. Andy Grant. August Grant. All right, come on over there. Come on over to 3rd place winners. All right. Congratulations. That's cool. These grandfathers, awesome. All right, 2nd place. Here we go. All right, this is your 2nd place. Albert King Sr. and Albert King III. All right. AKA Goings. All right, there's your champions right here. We have Mr. Ken Funmaker and grandson Adrian Day. All right, let's give the other ones a big round of applause, if you would. All right, congratulations. Now we need the grandmothers and granddaughters. Come on out. And then standby giveaway. The blanket gift and honor song. All right, so committee, be on standby right after this song. Grandmother and granddaughters, come on out. Awesome, good show. Uh-oh, I hear an auntie laugh out there. Where's it coming from? That Smoky Hall bingo room laugh is going off.
Anti-cackle.
The anti-cackle laugh, yeah. I heard it. First one I heard all week. All right, judges, you good to go? Just need to find a quick judge here. Mike's on it. He's looking. Stand by under the pines. Oh, I remember the days when my son would sleep on my lap and I was singing. I remember the days. All right, here we go, under the pines. Come on over, make a line. See Mike up here? Again, stand by the blanket gift and honor song. The Powwow committee be standing by with the blanket gift and honor song. And then stand by our drum relay. All right, here we go. Make a line. Third, second, and first is on the line here. There, the judges are going over. They're going over. All right, here we go. Third place. Third place, here we go. Right here, our third place winners. All right. Congratulations. Second place. Second place right there. All right. Big round of applause. We'll get some names here after. Congrats. And first place. There's your first place right there. Let's give the other ones a big round of applause, if you would. All right. That's awesome to see. Look at all them granddaughters right there. All three of them. It's like, do I get a giveaway gift? You have that microphone down there, Mike? All right, we'll go to third place here. Ooh. Third place.
Ani gagageja go kwe Shabitown and Dao.
All right, third place winners.
My granddaughters J. Rose and Liliana Raphael.
Ahoo, congratulations. Second place.
Hello, my name's Star White-Eye, and this is Temtemnia Star.
Ahoo, second place winners. And you're, oh.
They're my auntie.
Good job,
Hello, my name is Edwina Tosa Tortolita, and this is my granddaughter Jordan Eagle Star. We're from Jemez, Pueblo, and Part Sioux.
Ahoo, congrats.
Yeah.
All right, let's give him another big round of applause. And then there's Mike Roberts. All right, congratulations. All right. We're going to go to the blanket. Come on back there underneath there. There's no prize money. It was just for fun.
Couple of intertribals there. Oh.
Who wants to sing?
Yeah, platoon.
Platoon? Everyone at one time? Yeah. Go for it. Everybody at once. Whoever kicks it out first.
Sing that one. God damn, boy. You get
We need an intertribal. Who wants to sing?
Extra points.
Extra points. Go ahead. All right, intertribal, come on up. Enjoy. This might be the last intertribal. you. Thank you there. Alrighty then. I believe we might be ready. Not too sure. Hold your spots. Never know. There's this one time I was at a powwow emceeing way across the arena like that. I looked at my partner in crime there to MC, and I said, "Hey, is that Dolly Parton over there?" And we started looking. He goes, "Man, you're getting old, bro." I said, "What?" He goes, "That's just two bald men sitting over there together." Oh, man, I was really bummed out. Thought I saw Dolly Parton. All right, I'm just waiting for the high sign here of what we're going to do next. Oh, keep going. All right. Spot dance. We're getting some money up here ready. Spot dances up here. Looks like $40 each. Ooh. All right. Meskwaki, I believe you're next in line. They said go down the line. Spot dances. Cash money on the spot. Here we go. Meskwaki, if you would. your spot. Hold your spots. Here we have spot dance here. I believe Mike has. There he goes. There's one winner. We're good. All right. There's our winner. All right. Next group. You are on the air. Still spot dances. Still spot dances out there. Every intertribal's a spot dance. right, hold your spots. Here we go. There goes Mike. He made a spot. He has a spot. Somewhere out there. Oh, there it was. All right. When did you throw that down? Wednesday? Oh, it came off his braid. All right, we got our winners. Cinnamon Bear. We still have spot dances. It's still a spot dance. Freeze! All right, we got our winners. All right, singers, you are on the air.
thank you there. Thank you there. Everybody hold your places. This is the last spot dance. Number takers, come on out. Take the numbers there. Hey, China. Remember that? Remember that, boy? I used to have number takers come out there in a tribal, take everybody's numbers, man. Then they also have an extra 20 there. There was an extra 20 that was given for a spot dance there. I believe they were looking. Did you have the names for the head dancers today? Yep, they already got them. Okay. Yeah, there you go. There's another one right there. Yeah. Looks good.
Are we good? That was our last spot dance. All right. The platoon, hang tight, or do you guys want to sing? Are we letting them sing? All right, go ahead. Yep. Head man, head lady dancer, come on up.
Come on up here. Make your way on up.
You guys are officially done. You can thank me. That's all me.
Don't be taking those little guys' leads either. Let them lead.
Stand by, veterans. Veterans, come on over. Veterans. We're going to retire our Eagle staffs one last time. Veterans, come on over. Ahoo! All right, you may clear of the arena. Veterans, come on out and then stand by your best 5 singers. We're going to start that here shortly, right after we retire our colors and our Eagle staffs here. Your 5 singers, I hope you didn't eat anything. Just letting you know that much. You're going to be scarfing and be scoffing.
I believe they got them banana peels they saved all weekend. Got a hot dog wrapped in the middle of it.
Right smack in the middle. Bundless. All right, we got our veterans. We want to thank our veterans.
Tyson Webster, come on up to the pay window here. You're requested. Tyson Webster.
All right. Ken, you ready? 2 more? Oh, 2 and out. Okay. Host drum. 2 and out. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can and are able to, please rise and remove your headgear. as we retire our eagle staff and flags. We head to our host drum under the pines, if you would, 2 and out. Thank you, singers. Now we move on to our veteran song, our victory song here. We want to thank our veterans here for being here with us this weekend. We say, Chimmy Gwitch. The things our veterans do that go behind the doors and are never said, they never get recognized. But as Native people, this is what we do.